Upgrade your thermostat wiring the right way to stop intermittent system failures and get rock-solid HVAC reliability fast. When you strip thermostat wires, cut back to expose clean, bright copper and remove any frayed or green-tinged sections. Then restrip a short, precise length so the conductor is fully seated under the terminal clamp without excess bare wire showing. Use a proper wire stripper set to the correct gauge, not a utility knife, to avoid nicking the copper, which creates micro cracks that heat and vibration will turn into failures. For multi-conductor cable, separate and straighten each conductor only enough to route to its terminal. Excessive twisting or bending work hardens the metal and increases resistance, then flex the wire slightly to confirm the conductor is intact before connection. Use screw terminals with firm clamping pressure or spring clip adapters rated for thermostat signal circuits. If a screw terminal, back the screw out, insert the conductor until insulation meets the terminal entrance, then tighten to the manufacturer torque spec or until the wire cannot be pulled free with a steady tug. If you see any insulation nick, cut the conductor back and restrip. Never wrap bare wire around a screw head. Instead, insert under the clamp or use a properly ferruled end for stranded conductors. For stranded thermostat wire, crimp a small, insulated ferrule to maintain a consistent conductor shape and prevent stray strands shorting adjacent terminals. Choose ferrules sized to the conductor and terminal. After making connections, route wires away from high-voltage lines, motors, and relays to avoid induced interference, and use simple strain relief at the thermostat base, so daily adjustments do not fatigue the connection. Test continuity and measure voltage at the thermostat terminals with a multimeter, both unloaded and under call conditions, to confirm low resistance and proper control voltage. If you observe voltage drop or intermittent continuity, restrip and reseat or replace the run. Document terminal labels and take a photo before disconnecting to eliminate cross connections during reinstallation. One of the biggest thermostat wiring mistakes is poor wire stripping and damaged copper, causing high resistance and intermittent failures. Fix that by cutting back to bright copper, restripping cleanly, and using ferrules on stranded wire. Another common issue is loose or improperly torqued terminal connections leading to arcing and heating. Resolve it by tightening to spec and using the correct terminal type or clamp adapter. The third frequent problem is routing thermostat wiring near high voltage or motor runs, which causes noise and false signals. Correct this by rerouting to maintain separation, adding simple shield thermostat cable if runs are long, and installing separate conduit or proper grounding points where needed. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local contractors and detailed service profiles so homeowners can find technicians experienced in proper thermostat wiring and HVAC controls. Contractors get visibility, lead referrals, and verified project requests that match their skills so the right pro finds the right job quickly.